DJ Delz.
Hey yo, how you doing? We got a brand new pickup in the mail. We got this from Boxlunch. It's my second time ordering from them. I caught this restock. I never thought I was going to be able to get this. And I'm very excited to actually own this. I got one for me, one for my daughter, because she absolutely loves this movie. And let's check it out. Let's check out how they packaged it all. Looks like they did a great job because of the fact that it's individually wrapped, which is fantastic. That's how you're supposed to do it. Put them in cardboard boxes. Double box them. We care about the packaging. So do it like that. Shout out to Boxlunch for doing what they're supposed to do. Shipping them properly. I'm very confident that these boxes will not be damaged like this. Knock on wood. Everyone knock on wood right now. Let's check it out together. I've been wanting this one. Wally. Look at Wally. Now this came out on Earthday, and it is a Boxlunch exclusive. Even the cardboard is supposed to be like recyclable cardboard. The details are fantastic. And I got two of these. One for me, one for my daughter, because this is her favorite movie, Wally. She has the other Wally, and now she's about to have this one. So, very happy to have it. Mint box. I mean, it's a little funny over there, but, I mean, I'm not upset with that. That's not that big of a deal. So, very, very happy to have this in the collection. You see, I got a hospital band on. I literally just got back from the hospital not too long ago. I was in the hospital for 4 days. I did upload a video yesterday. That was just like an old video that I never edited. So I put that out there while I was in the hospital bed because I was bored as hell. And I like to keep this channel moving where there's constant content running through. So if you love Funko Pop and more, that's toy related, WWE related, pop culture related, make sure you're subscribed here. I did a Comic-Con last week, interviewed a whole bunch of people. It was a lot of fun. People from American Pie, the classic comedy, and much more. This is the other one. Let's check out how this one is. Definitely check out all the videos. I really would like this channel to grow and grow and grow, just like that plant. Grow, grow, grow. Grow more and more and more. So, tell a friend about the channel. And shout out to everyone that loves Funko Pop. And this, unfortunately, is not available anymore, but keep checking their website because it may restock again. But once again, I'm very, very happy and pleased to have this in the collection and be able to give my kid one of these. I'm not going to give it to her yet because I've given her so many Funko Pops in the past couple of weeks. I mean, it's so many. It's been a little ridiculous. So, you know, I will put that to the side, hide it, and eventually hit her with it. Just so she'll appreciate it more. You know how kids are. Here he is out of the box. Looks fantastic. Love the details. Love the plant in the boot. Got the Wally branding right there. There's a look at his side profile. There's a look at Wally's back right there. And there's a look at his other side right there. I mean, they really did a great job on this one right here. I highly recommend it if you're a fan of the movie. And I'm happy that I was able to lock this in. So awesome. Another thing I got is I did get the standard version of The Rock. I do have the Chase somewhere up here, but I wanted the standard version too. It's not always just about the chases with me. When it comes to wrestlers that I absolutely love, I like to have the common and the chase, and that's definitely the case with The Rock. So very happy to have this to the collection. And that is all of what I got for today. It's going to be a short video, not much, and honestly my energy is really low right now. But once again, I really have fun doing these videos. I totally just love it. I love it. I love connecting with people that have this same kind of passion with collecting Funko as me. If you notice, I have more than one of these Deadpool chickens. If you want to find out more about that, watch the video from the other day. Not yesterday's video, but the video from the other day that I uploaded. And you'll see the whole situation, how I got the baby Groot, the life-size Groot, which I've been wanting for such a long time. And I finally obtained him. Definitely one that I've been wanting and wanting and wanting. So this is off of the list of Funko that I've been hunting for a long time. This Groot, the life-sized Groot, and other Funko Pops that I am looking for. I would love the 7-Eleven Deadpool, but I'm not willing to spend the money for it. I would do trades. I have tons of Funko. I would do like more than one Funko for that pop. I understand it's worth some money, and anyone that's new into Funko, that's just looking to get more Funko, hit me up, because I gotta trim my collection down a little bit. Everything on this wall is really stuff that's not available. This is like my favorites, like all of my favorites. You see I have my desk right there. I record my podcast with the mic right there on my Patreon over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. If you love podcasts and giveaways, join my Patreon. You will not be disappointed. It's a lot of fun. So check that out. That will be linked in the description box below. We do giveaways there, real giveaways. You know, people actually win. It's not like that fake stuff you see out there. So give that a shot. You'll be highly entertained. It's a lot of Q&A. And, you know, as I was saying, when I'm on my desk recording my podcast, I just love looking up at all of this. You know, it's very inspiring to me. And it just puts me in a nice place, nice state of mind. So I really enjoy collecting these Funko Pops. Let me know why you love Funko Pops so much. And let me know what you're looking for. Definitely let me know what you're looking for. But as far as what I'm looking for, once again, the Deadpool 7-Eleven exclusive. I'm looking for the Ant-Man chase. I really want the Ant-Man chase, him with the helmet off. And what else am I looking for? Trying to think if there's anything else that I'm looking for at the moment. Oh, the Ric Flair WWE Funko Pop. There is going to be a new Ric Flair WWE Funko Pop, and that one is going to be like exclusive with the upcoming video game that's coming out, so I'm looking forward to that. But I'm definitely looking for the other one. I think he's wearing like a pink fur coat, and I need the Andre the Giant WWE Funko. Plus, there's another one I want to find. Oh, Macho Man. So those are some that I'm looking for. If anyone has them, wants to do trades, hit me up over at Delz Toy Show on Instagram. And I also have a little feed over there where it has some Funko that I'm just trying to get rid of for retail. A lot of them will be just for retail. I'm trying to, as I said, slim down the collection. So let me know if there's anything you're hunting for. Oh, I am also looking for zombie Walking Dead Funko Pops, like the Bicycle Girl, Penny, those kinds. I don't have any of them, and I want some of those. So those are some other Funkos that I am looking for. Let me know also if you guys picked up any of these right here from the new ad icons. I was able to get most of them, and I absolutely love them. Don't give up if you haven't been able to obtain them yet. They keep doing restocks, especially with Pokemon too. Tons of restocks with Pokemon, so don't give up. And good luck hunting out there. Leave your comments once again. Let me know what you think of this Funko. You love it. Let me know what you thought of the movie. Some people didn't like the movie. Some people loved the movie. I think because there wasn't really much words to it, but I thought that's what was kind of fun about it. It was kind of artsy, and I'm a big like earthy kind of person, believe it or not. I care about the environment and recycling, and I really like the movie a lot. I love WALL-E, so I'm happy to have this in the collection. That's it for today's video. Thumbs it up, subscribe if you're new, and I'm so happy to be back home. I still gotta remove this stupid thing right here from my IV, man. Stuck in the hospital 4 days. Pretty tired right now, but once again, I just have a big passion for doing these YouTube videos, so you know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. As exhausted as I am, I hope this was entertaining for you all to watch. That's the goal. So hopefully this was worth my time filming. Thank you, everyone. Love y'all. We out.